Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans yet again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got one that came out of a box from zenpop.jp. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code RAMENRATER for a discount. And I want to send a shout out to all the Japanese subscription box companies. So here's the deal, folks, right now with the whole COVID thing. It could be over, but I don't think it will be by the time this airs. Japan Post is no longer sending shipments to the United States, and I think they're looking at something like 4 months from Japan to here. I don't know if that's what is going to end up it being the time it taking, but that's rough on noodles, folks. That's really rough. So. But today I've got one that they sent. They sent this wonderful looking Sapporo Ichiban. This is a soup curry. And this is from their like fancy noodle line too. Yeah, soup curry. Not only is it curry, it features these chicks, and they're called Nogizaki 46. So you can go to Sapporo 1-Nogizaki46.com and you can go see stuff all about it. But yeah, this is a common thing Sapporo Ichiban likes to do over in Japan. They'll have a girl group and they'll like have signatures you can collect of the different members. I don't know, Nogizaki 46. There could be 46 of them. AKB 48, for example. It's a girl group with 48 girls in it. I mean, it's just like, wow, dude. Really? Really? But yeah, smells pretty good. Soup curry. Let's get it on with our bad selves and this soup curry, which I hope is good. No spilling. No spilling. Gonna slap a lid on. And we're gonna do 3 minutes. Look at that! That was nice. So, the sun is out now, but it may not be for long. The sun is out. It's been in that whole windy, and the sun will be out, and then it'll go away. Whoa. Why is there... something on the burner? I don't like that. Here, I'll show you. Look. Look. What does it mean? I don't see anything there that's burning. I don't know. I still say this glass cooktop, more trouble than it's worth. Danger, danger, danger. I don't know. Curry. Curry soup, curry soup. Said, you may have tried curry from India, but you've never might have had curry that's been in a soup. I would like to let you folks know that I've had curry of all different ways, shapes, forms, and wonders. I think I've had Japanese soup curry. I think I have. Yeah. I can't wait. I'm on my new diet and it's been going well. I've already lost 5 pounds, so working out pretty well. The initial going in crazy because I felt like I was starving, it's already gone. So like yesterday, I think I did like 9,000 steps, and I did just over 1,200 calories. So I'm hitting it. Yup, back on the wagon. Just couldn't do that one. Sploopy sploop sploopity sploop bloop bloopity boopity boo. I guess there's going to be a press conference tonight about the computer virus that everybody's succumbing to. Computers. I told you. Yeah, that's just some weird stuff. I don't know. Ooh, it's done making the smoke from the thing. And there's our alarm. Yes. There we go. And we're going to take this cup. I'll make sure you can see it there. There it is. Soup curry. Push it down in. So let's do this sucker a try. Black spoon. It's curry. I have to use a black spoon. Man, this thing is so twitchy lately. Does have eggplant in it. The chicken? No. Okay. Now what do we do? Rotato? Okay. An egg from this morning. I don't know what it is. This music makes me think of staying up for days. From my yester youth. It's kind of a creepy tune. Wistful and moaning. That's what I get out of it. Yeah. Rorschach. since it's curry, I always like to take the chance, if possible, to use a couple pieces of my perfectly preserved and prepared kamaboko. That was it. Poor performance is prevented with proper preparation. I heard this the other day. I guess it's a Boy Scouts thing. Prevent poor performance from proper preparation or something like that. It's like, whoa. Okay. Finally got some decent dated mung bean sprouts. The last few bags I've gotten either expired the next day or 2 days later, which is no. I mentioned this one has chicken in it, for those who wonder. I think I also saw mention of pork. That's just kind of the way it is with Japanese stuff. Use a little mayo or some chili oil. I should get some Layou stuff. I thought this was the Layou stuff. This is a little package of a container of house brand chili oil that I have. That I got a big, huge container of chili oil from Taiwan, and I just keep refilling this with that. Pretty much the same exact thing. Except I've been to Taiwan and I haven't been to Japan. I can't wait. I'm itching and dying for travel. And if what's supposed to happen happens, I'm gonna be doing some traveling. And when I can say something about it, believe me, I will. Ooh, what a cool track to rotate with. Alright, you ready for some rotato time, folks? Here we go. Alright, this has been Ons the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. The stuff was good. Have a good one, and bye.